City Corporation is under huge loss and many projects are on hold due to lack of funds. Collecting property taxes, which is a major source of revenue, has been a problem. A target of about 3,000 crores was set for the current year, out of which only about 40% of the amount has been collected in 10 months.
Of course, we have set the target, not been achieved. Of course, CM is also actually pursuing the matter. I think we are hoping that still we got one more, 2 more months. That we hope that we will reach the target at least 90%.
Every year, a target is set and several steps have been taken in the past to make the defaulters pay the property tax. One of which is beating drums on the streets and revealing the names of the defaulters. But that hardly brought in any changes.
If you look at other countries, if you look at US, UK, the property taxes are privatized, means a private player will collect the taxes and give it to the government. So if they bring that kind of a rule into this in place, then I think they will be able to collect the taxes. And also the tax structure is not clear, and they should have a transparent tax structure so that it will be helpful for public as well.
Ironically, a few well-known business organizations, educational institutions and people are the highest defaulters. 30 property owners owe more than 1 crore each and they haven't paid since many years. BBMP says it is confident of recovering the entire money and has recently collected a pending tax amounting to over 11 crores from Bagmane Developers Limited.
Money will not go anywhere actually. There are big shots who are defaulters, maybe IT companies and all. We will not leave a single paisa. So to them, they have to, today or tomorrow they have to come to BBMP for civic communities. We will definitely, with the interest, we will recover it.
Although BBMP officials say they will recover the entire money, they are uncertain about the time and concrete plans of doing it. Experts from Janagraha organizations say having a comprehensive database on properties to be taxed, setting up realistic tax rates and accountability to meet the target is the key to solve the problem. This is Yoganand reporting for CityCast.